So this side.
Thank you so
So
much.
to your left.
So this side.
So to your left. So to your left. To your left, sir.
Oh my God.
This side. So.
This also comes
This
with
side.
it. Thank you. It is too heavy for me to hold. You are always doing heavy things. Even last time you gave me such a heavy thing, we could not carry it. Thank you so much. Yes, that is itself an honor. Huh? Oh my God.
These are my books on. This is my Mizoram English collection of poems there. This was greatly appreciated by everybody, including
I had thought of giving you two of my husband's books, but I didn't have the time to do it.
Sir, left.
So here one.
Straight,
Is,
straight.
a research work on botany, Waman Bridge. I visited and I am not a Goan originally. I am from Kerala.
So what?
Yeah, so it's from what I'm
You see-
completing it.
You see,
You see here
from Kerala we came to Portuguese came to Goa. They first started Kerala, and from Kerala they
one
came here.
history says that the only Kerala Rani she defeated Portuguese 3 times. Ullar, there is a Mangalore is the border of Kerala. It's from Ullar Rani. She defeated Portuguese invaders 3 times. Then what device they have done? Husband and wife. Husband later became a spy
Yes.
for Portuguese invaders.
Limoja.
Ah, yes, yes.
His name is
So
Limoja.
this is a history not
Yes,
known to much people. I have written a book in Malayalam about that lady.
Exactly.
That,
No, not many people. And now we say, you see, the Hindus are always cursing the Portuguese more than the Christians. Huh? So we tell them that the Hindus are responsible to bring the Portuguese here because unless Timoja had not to contradict contradict his wife and come with a Vasco da Gama would not find Goa.
So Christians are concerned on secret identity.
No, secret.
Secret means no.
Christian
No.
came afterwards.
No. First bishop in India was appointed by Rani of Portugal. At that time there was a fight between Papa's Vatican and Papa means Popes. Vatican has no power to appoint so that was done by
The government.
the government of Portugal. There was a fight. The first person in India as a bishop, Indian bishop, Indian person is appointed as bishop. After returning to Goa, he lost his life. I don't want to go to
No, we know
the
it.
details.
Yeah, nobody lost his life from the Portuguese only.
And from my present
We
residence,
know it.
Rajkot.
We also give this.
If that would not have happened, then their history would stand to be different. So this is I visited all the 41 trees and written this book. I think I have given book that you visited last
No.
week. No. Can I tell you?
Thank you.
Very happy I am.
Sir.
Then another book on trees in Goa.
They are so beautifully brought. Where you bring them in Kerala. We don't. I'm sorry to say we don't.
Yes. And another book another book is Heavenly Islands of God. I visited all the islands.
Oh, I see. Already published. Very good.
And this is Pricha Ayurveda treatment. It started in Rajkot and the grand success. You go there, more than 200 years of mango tree is there. Completely, it was a dangerous position. Now greenery. This is my stories by the second edition, published by Kuwait.
Here we go.
Yes, and another, caviar is disappeared from Goa. Goa's own art. Churches and temples are by using caviar. It's disappeared. 3 days
See, I have got one picture of caviar.
caviar. So now Rajmohan has conducted 4 days workshop. This is not a subject matter for all my friends here. First, they are bound to do it. These types of things, I don't know how many are interested.
For having this good luck in my lifetime at this stage of my life also. Because unless you have God's grace, all this does not come. And I don't think if God does not give you strength, you cannot do what you do. So I don't claim to do it all by myself. I must acknowledge the strength of the Almighty.
What to say on the today as a governor has visited?
I am very happy. You see, I do not know. I don't think I am a very humble and small person. Though people say I have done this, that, and the other, I don't know. I did not do any big thing. I just did what came to my lot, you may say, before me, without thinking that it was a big thing. But anyway, I do not know. So this is a great honor for me to have the governor visit my small flat. I'm too humble and too small for that. But there again, it is a grace that I cannot avoid. Is it not? When it comes to you, you take it. I am so happy that the Almighty is not giving me any evil things, but only good things in my life, for which I have to be thankful.
Contribution, her sacrifice, and how she managed the radio and other things is a thing to be studied by our new generation. Cause of the nation, brave ladies who fought only few in our country, and Goa, of course, Libya ji is in the forefront of that, and I bow before her and appreciate her sacrifice, and that is why now Padma Shri bestowed to her. And prior to that, about one year back, Rajbhot invited Madam with due respect and honored her. And so, Libya Lobo Sardeshai ji is in my mind because she is coming under the category of the freedom fighters, and during her fight for the nation or Goa's freedom, you see the radio operating from forest areas, facing so many difficulties. This is in fact noted by Narendra Modi ji Sarkar, and I'm very happy that proposal of Goa accepted, and we are all happy. And spirit of the freedom struggle, of Goan freedom struggle also, we will have to record properly and place it before the world, writers and students of the world, especially history. Recently there is a book by William William is popularly known as William, the world's famous writer, and now his book's name is Golden Roots. So roots from all over India through sea. Earlier it was called as silk roots. Some trade. But now he proved himself and telling the world that it's a golden root, and 10th century, 11th century, and 12th century, India was the richest in the world, and these roots were golden because through this aspect, the world was enjoying the facilities and flourishness of India. That book is released and it is available in Goa also. I'm very happy gone through it. So these types of things, golden things from our history. And if you look into that aspect, Libya Lobo Sandeshai is a part of that book. It is not mentioned. Further readers or observers on the book should go in detail, and Goan liberation struggle also may be included in that. And further, I am very happy. According to my limited information, I am not saying that whether I am correct or not. A spouse, both were in different times separately Padma Award, of course, bestowed them. This is also a historical thing. Let we all appreciate the effort and the tireless effort on the part of our this great fighter, and I congratulate on behalf of Goa and the central government's compliments also bestowing on her, and I am praying may Almighty give her more strength, courage, health, and life. Thank you very much.